Don't be an option for anyone. You are worth more than that. Have you felt hurt because someone didn't pay attention to you, even though you gave them all your love? They act like your feelings mean nothing. They overlook you as if you being there doesn't matter. They don't make you a priority, even though you give them all your love. What if I told you that you could change the situation so they start making you a priority? Yes, in this video, I'll share 12 ways to make yourself so appealing that everyone will want to be close to you. 1. Make them scared of never seeing you again. People often ignore what they can easily get, even if it's precious. But when they're scared of losing it, they start to care. They only realize its true worth after it's gone. Imagine being so important to someone that they can't think of a life without you. You're not just another choice, you're essential. How? Show them you have your own life, full of independence and confidence. You don't need them to feel complete. Your life is exciting on its own, making you irresistibly attractive. They'll want to be with you because being in your life is a special opportunity, not something they're owed. You become so unique to them that they can't ignore you. You're not after their love or begging for attention. You're the one they'll pursue, craving your presence. So, instill the fear of losing you. Draw their attention by being invaluable. Remember, in their eyes, you should be the winner they're afraid to lose. 2. Don't always be there. The best things aren't easy to find or always there. You shouldn't be there for everyone, anytime. Your time is important. Don't be there just because someone wants you to be. You should put your life first. Think about it. You're not just waiting around. Your life is more than just about others. You have your own fun to have, and others should feel lucky to join you. How to do it? Balance your time. Don't always wait for others or be ready to help at any moment. Let others see your time and attention are special. People like those who are busy with their own stuff. When they see you're not always available, they get curious. They start to miss you and respect you more, knowing you have your own interests. Being always available makes them think they can have you anytime, but you're special, and they should earn your time. It's not about playing games. It's about showing you have a fun life, with or without them. If you're not always there, they'll treat your time better and understand your worth. So, don't always be available. 3. Don't tell everything about yourself. Be a bit of a mystery. People love figuring out things they don't know. Think of yourself as a book with some missing chapters. Everyone wants to know what's in those hidden parts. How to do it? Don't share everything about yourself right away. Give out little pieces of your story over time. Let them guess what you think about, what you dream of, and what you've lived through. Being mysterious makes people curious and interested. When they can't guess what you'll do next, they want to learn more about you. It's like a puzzle they can't wait to put together. You're not meant to share every little thing about yourself. You're someone full of surprises with lots to discover. Keeping some mystery makes people want to be around you more. 4. Make yourself something they have to work for. This rule is all about making them put effort into getting closer to you. This is how you show your worth. Picture this. You're a treasure they're dreaming of, and they'll do anything to make you theirs. You're not just someone they like. You're someone they're willing to commit to. People appreciate what they put effort into. When they give their feelings and time to you, they grow more attached to you. They'll view you as unique and important, something they don't want to lose. Remember, you're not asking for their love or attention. You're showing them you're an important person in their life, but they have to prove they deserve your time. Let them make the effort to win you over with their time, feelings, and dedication. Now's the time to be someone they'll invest in, because having you is something they'll see as invaluable. 5. Always put yourself first. This rule is about ensuring your happiness and well-being come before anything else in your relationships. It's crucial to value yourself and not settle for being treated poorly. Imagine recognizing your value and not accepting anything less. You shouldn't sacrifice your joy and self-esteem for someone who doesn't appreciate you. To live by Rule 5, make your needs and happiness your top priority. A solid relationship, whether with friends or a partner, is based on mutual respect. Never accept anything less. Focusing on your needs isn't being selfish. It's about respecting yourself. It means keeping your dignity and emotional health intact. Make it known that you won't be overlooked or undervalued. By putting your needs first, you're making a statement that your feelings and self-worth are important. You're an important part of any relationship, and your well-being matters. You're not here to be taken for granted or to find approval from others. You aim for respectful, healthy relationships founded on self-regard. Standing up for yourself makes you more appealing and influential in others' lives. Simply put, Rule 5 reminds us that your personal well-being and respect are supreme, and you should always prioritize your ambitions and interests. 6. Keep your independence. Don't let anyone become everything to you. People often find themselves drawn to what seems out of reach, and this rule ensures you remain intriguing and self-sufficient in your relationships. Picture yourself as a bright star, shining with your own light, not just circling around someone else. You have your own path, your hobbies, and what makes you, you. To follow Rule 6, make sure you're not making someone your whole world. Keep pursuing your interests, chasing your dreams, and staying true to yourself. This not only keeps you interesting, but also adds a layer of mystery. It leaves them curious about your life and eager to know more about you. Your independence and the excitement you bring to the relationship will make you more appealing. Keep in mind, your role isn't to disappear into someone else. It's to enrich each other's existence while keeping your own character. By avoiding putting them at the core of your world, you turn into a more fascinating and appealing figure. By having a life outside the relationship, you keep growing, changing, and adding excitement and self-reliance to the mix. This principle serves as a nudge that you're whole by yourself, and being in someone's life enhances it rather than replacing their joy with your presence. 7. Don't always be the one to start talking. This rule is about creating a balance in how you talk to each other, ensuring you're not always the one initiating the conversation. Think of yourself as a lighthouse, standing firm and shining brightly, letting others navigate their way to you. Implement Rule 7 by not always being the one to say hello first. Let the other person show their willingness to connect too. This approach not only shows that you have your own world and passions, but also lets you see how much they're interested in being a part of your life. Always being the one to reach out can make it seem like you're too eager or always available, which isn't the goal. It's not about playing hard to get. It's about keeping the relationship evenly balanced. By sometimes letting them initiate, you allow them the chance to show they value and seek your company. This subtly reminds them that you're not just another contact in their phone. You're a person who merits effort and attention. Remember, your aim isn't to pursue affection or companionship relentlessly. It's to cultivate relationships based on mutual respect and effort. By achieving this communication level, you encourage a more even and healthy interaction. 8. Be the source of your own joy. The essence of Rule 8 is understanding that true happiness comes from within. It's about being confident, fulfilled, and self-reliant, which naturally makes you more appealing to those around you. Picture yourself as the glowing sun, shining brightly by your own accord, not needing anyone else to light you up. Your happiness is your own creation, and this inner light attracts others to your vibrant energy. Implementing Rule 8 means you find your own reasons to smile and feel joy without depending on someone else to provide it for you. This sense of self-contentment and independence draws people to you. Individuals are naturally attracted to those who radiate positivity and confidence. When you're happy with who you are, you not only become a beacon of hope and joy for others, but also show that you don't need someone else to complete you. This approach is appealing because it frees others from the pressure of having to be your source of happiness. Remember, your goal isn't to seek happiness through others, but to share the joy you've cultivated within yourself, improving the lives around you. By living according to Rule 8, you embody a positive and self-assured figure that everyone is drawn to. 9. Know when to leave. Rule 9 emphasizes the importance of being ready to exit a relationship that doesn't recognize your worth. It's a strong statement about not compromising on what you truly deserve and asserting that your dignity is not up for debate. Picture yourself armed with the courage and self-esteem to identify when a partnership is failing to be mutually beneficial. You're not clinging to something that undermines your joy and self-regard. Implementing Rule 9 involves establishing firm boundaries and expectations for treatment in any relationship. If these expectations are not met consistently, you're prepared to step back. Departing isn't a sign of coldness, but a step towards self-care. It shows your commitment to your self-respect and a refusal to lower your standards for anyone undervaluing you. Willingness to walk away can also serve as a wake-up call, signaling the other person to recognize your worth and make you a priority. Remember, you're not meant to hold on to connections that reduce your happiness and dignity. You're meant for even, respectful relationships. Rule 9 serves as a reminder of your natural value and the strength you possess in choosing to stay only where you're truly valued. 10. Keep your emotions in check to become a priority. It stresses the significance of managing your feelings to ensure others see and treat you as important. Imagine yourself as a calm navigator, smoothly steering through emotional waves with confidence. This emotional steadiness invites others to see you as a key figure in their lives. Rule 10 suggests finding a middle ground in showing your feelings while staying ready. While it's important to acknowledge and share your emotions, letting them take over can sometimes hide your true worth. By adopting a balanced emotional approach, you make it simpler for others to understand and respect your needs without feeling swamped. This method is appealing as it showcases your emotional maturity and restraint, making others more inclined to see and value your emotional needs and company. You're not hiding your emotions, but presenting them in a way that develops understanding and respect. Sticking to Rule 10 enhances your ability to convey your feelings and desires effectively, making it easier for you to be a priority to others. 11. Learn to enjoy your own company. This rule emphasizes the joy of spending time with yourself. It's about loving who you are, on your own, without needing someone else to fill the silence. Think of it like this: you're your best companion, finding pleasure in your hobbies, thoughts, and dreams. When you're happy being alone, you show others that you're not waiting for them to make your life exciting. You're already living a fulfilling life. This independence is appealing and shows you don't rely on others for your entertainment or happiness. You're self-sufficient, and your life is full of activities that make you happy and content. People will want to be part of your life when they see how well you manage on your own, making you even more desirable. 12. Keep growing and learning. This rule is all about personal growth and constantly seeking to improve yourself. It means you're always looking for ways to be better, whether through learning new skills, exploring new hobbies, or improving your mind and body. Picture it as being a student of life, where every day is an opportunity to learn something new about the world or yourself. This constant growth makes you an endlessly interesting and evolving person, someone who brings new ideas and energies into any relationship. Your quest for knowledge and self-improvement is infectious, making others eager to grow alongside you. By dedicating yourself to continuous learning, you become a dynamic and stimulating presence that can't easily be overlooked or taken for granted. In short, these 12 rules teach you how to be someone people really want to keep around. They show you how to make others afraid to lose you, be a little hard to get, keep some secrets, let others show their care for you, look after your own needs, live your own life, talk just right, be happy on your own, stay calm, and be ready to walk away if you're not treated right. This shows you respect yourself. So remember, you're not just after getting noticed. You want good, fair, and kind relationships. Following these tips makes you very valuable, and people will want to put you first in their lives. If you're ever just an option for someone, know you can cut them off. You're worth a lot, and you should be with folks who treat you well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel. As always, until next time.